Wishing you a good time, everyone. Every child is different kind of flower, and all together makes this world a beautiful one. Every November 14th, we celebrate Children's Day as a tribute to our first Indian Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, fondly known as Chacha among children. So let's celebrate our Chacha's birthday today.
Nehru is well known for his love for children and roses. It was his affection towards children that his birthday, November 14, is celebrated as the Children's Day in India. Nehru may not have time for adults but had enough time for children. He advocated children to have a fulfilled childhood and receive high education. He once said, "The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country." My dear children, sending your way a bunch of flowers that blooms your life with love, happiness and more cherishable moment. Happy Children's Day, my dear blooming buds.